We are not afraid. You can only be afraid if the coalition are made of people of substance. It's a coalition of previous leaders that have failed. In fact, the mess that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is trying to clear using the broom of APC, all this mess due to misgovernance, bad governance, mismanagement, were created by this coalition of leaders who have put Nigeria where it is today. So I think Nigerians know them. They have campaigned before. Nigerians have rejected them, and they are only putting themselves in one basket, which makes it easy for Nigerians to be able to say, okay, these are the people that have brought us all the problems, all the challenges, and they are now in one basket, and we will reject them.
I really appreciate what Honorable Adishokwe have done for this Ramadan lecture on the Ramadan program, and for the gift he provided. May Almighty Allah continue to bless him.
Pray that this Oyebamiji and Bo will win this election for 2026 election.